Hey, welcome to our channel. Did you know that these TikTok accounts are making $10,000 to $20,000 per month completely for free without investing a single dollar? And guess what? You can do it too. These AI videos are getting millions of views, and before it's too late, you should start making them too. In this video, I will fully guide you on how to create these viral AI videos for free and start making money.
Let's go. Step 1. First, we need to generate a high-quality prompt using ChatGPT. A well-crafted prompt will help create stunning AI visuals. Step 2. Next, we use an AI image generator to create a highly detailed and cinematic image. Tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI can help achieve the best results. Step 3. Finally, we transform the AI-generated image into a video using animation tools like Pika Labs or Runway ML. This brings the image to life with smooth motion and cinematic effects. First, we go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of 10 historical incidents. Next, we carefully select one incident from the list that we find the most interesting or impactful. Then, we ask ChatGPT to write a point of view, POV, script based on that event, specifically in a 5-short video format. This script will help us create an engaging and cinematic AI-generated video that captures the essence of the historical moment. Now, we go to FreePix AI image generator to create high-quality images. On FreePic, we can generate up to 20 images per day for free. The most important settings to adjust are, heavy checkmark resolution, 9:16 for the perfect vertical format. Heavy checkmark image type, select single image for the best results. After that, we paste our prompt and wait for the AI to generate a highly realistic and stunning picture. This tool is incredibly powerful and produces top-quality visuals effortlessly. Next, we go to Kling AI to bring our image to life. First, we upload the AI-generated picture and then paste the same prompt to maintain consistency. After that, we set the resolution to 9:16, ensuring the perfect vertical format for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Once everything is set, we let Kling AI process the image and transform it into a smooth, cinematic animation. After some time you can see our video is ready. If you want detailed guide to generate free video without watermark and fastly comment yes, I will share you method.